Hi there, my name is Chloe Henderson and welcome to Coin-Operated Press. July is International Zine Month and Coin-Operated Press celebrated with a whole month full of zine-based fun. We used our prompt list to share our love for zine culture and we hope you enjoyed seeing all of our posts over on our Instagram.
Hi, I'm Katie, one of the co-founders of Coin-Operated Press, and I just wanted to welcome you to the first video in our monthly vlog series. We're really excited to show you everything that we've been getting up to this past month. July was International Zine Month and we've been really busy over on Instagram. So after you've watched this video, go and check out our page. We're at coinopepress over there. But for now, just strap in and enjoy this video. See you soon.
On the 1st of July we launched the Coin-Operated Press Patreon and we would love to have you over on there with us. You can find us at www.patreon.com/coinoppress. And thank you to all of our lovely patrons for their support so far. We can't wait to grow our wee zine lovers clubs. Day 2 was finish off a half-started zine, which for me meant finishing our Dungeons & Dragons zine. I collected up all the remaining submissions from Katie, Stuart and Erin and edited them together to form our Troll Flayers zine, which you can now find in the Coin-Op Press shop by following the link in the description below. For Day 3's Share the Love Compliment a Zine Maker Day, I wrote a love note to Katie. It reads, "Dearest Katie, your art is so much better than your brain tells you it is. Have confidence in your skills. Love, Chloe." Today is Day 4 and it's Independence from Meat Day. And today our prompt is to cook a meal from a vegan zine. I'm cooking my meal from Recipes for Wild Vegans by Gears for Queers, and while doing this I'm having a Skype date with Katie. This dish is properly delicious, and it's now time to sit down and have a meal and find out how Katie's getting on with hers. For Day 6, it was International Kissing Day, so I decided to have a collage making date night with my partner Stuart. We really enjoyed spending the time together making things, so much so we've decided to schedule this as a regular date night. Eventually hoping to make a zine with all of the crafts we make together. Zine making is best when you can share it with your loved ones. What do you think of our collages? Do you think we did a good job? The prompt we set for our collages was to represent what we loved in the other person, and I think Stuart's is so cute. I'm so pleased with it. He's so sweet. Thank you, Moo.
Our theme for Day 8 was favourite movies. I decided to make a mini zine for Chloe as she made a short documentary a couple of years ago that is really great. I also had the pleasure of working on it and my mum is in it, so maybe I'm a bit biased, but it actually is wonderful.
For Day 9's Reduce, Reuse, Recycle Day, I made a tiny zine out of the super shiny, awesome biodegradable bags that we ship all of our orders in. I wrote a series of little life truths and stuck in a bunch of stickers that I've been hoarding. Here are the life truths. Tampons should be free. Animals have feelings. When you grow up, you give up. The most dangerous minority is the rich. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Art is anything you can get away with. That last one is very true for Coin-Operated Press.
I made a mini zine for my friend Erica. She lives in the States, and with everything going on at the moment over there, I just thought it would be nice to make a zine to cheer her up a little bit.
I was having a bit of a blah mental health day yesterday and was not in the most productive state of things. It seems apt that the theme for Day 11 was Zines love music. Music really has been the glue that has bonded my life together. It's there to pick up my pieces when I feel broken. My musical taste has evolved a lot. In the video you can see my CD collection. It's mostly from my teenage years, but I do still listen to a lot of that music now. I'm now a digital listener, as it seems to be the easiest way to collect all the songs I love in one place. But I do still have an ache for the CD and the record. I like the physical thing sometimes. My Chemical Romance and the Dresden Dolls are the two bands that shape my music taste, and in fact my life the most. I want to make fanzines dedicated to both of these musical loves in the future, and share with you the evolution of my musical taste. I guess it will end up being more of a coming of age story. I'm looking forward to looking back and moving forward. I'm stuck a little bit in the past at the moment, hence the sucky mental health. So I think that fanzine come perzine will be really healing. It's meeting day in the coin-operated houses. Every Monday we have a Skype meeting to catch up with each other as friends, as well as planning all the wonderful zine things that we're getting up to, and talking business. Katie used to live 5 minutes down the road from me, so it's a bit rubbish she's so far away now, but I'm glad the internet is keeping us connected, even if I do hate video calls. The 14th of July is Shark Awareness Day, and to celebrate this I wanted to make a zine all about sharks. One of the key facets of zine making is to share causes and ideas that are important to you as an individual, but also that you think are important to the world as a whole. Zines make space to share information that is often overlooked by conventional medias and give these matters a voice. Sharks need us to share their voice. While it is true that sharks are impressive hunters and predators, the sad fact remains that these magnificent creatures are more threatened by people than we are by sharks. This is a day of respect for these wonderful animals.
Day 16 was our Make It Yourself day. I used this day to learn some new skills and move from strictly analog zine making to incorporating digital elements into my work. Now I have got the hang of it. I've even made a whole zine completely digitally and I really love it.
I don't look miserable, it's because you take very bad pictures of me.
Oh, it's my fault, is it, that you don't smile?
You take bad pictures of me because I'm not good looking.
Aw, you are good looking. You just don't smile.
I don't smile because
I'm gonna be like one of those angry men that tells women to smile, and I'm just gonna tell you to smile all the time.
And I'm gonna have the exact same reaction that any woman would have if I went up to them and told them to smile.
You'd look much better if you smile. You'd look much better if you smile. Angry face. Taking a break from all the art to have a nice beach trip with Coin Up.
In 1649 to St. George's Hill, a ragged band they called the Diggers came to show the people's will. They defied the landlords, they defied the laws. They were the dispossessed, reclaiming what was theirs. We come in peace, they said, to dig and sow. We come to work the land in common and to make
that sounds why I painted it and why I'm not playing it any longer.
I don't like green food, a vegan junk food zine. And inside you'll find a bunch of yummy, delicious recipes. They're really easy to make. I'm not like the best chef, so I wanted to put some easy things in there and also remind people that being vegan, it's not all about kale, right, and broccoli. There's also a frequently asked questions by non-vegans in here, such as, what's wrong with milk and eggs? Where do you get your protein? Don't you need meat to be healthy? And my personal favourite, what if you were stuck on a desert island and had nothing else to eat? I guess like you'll have to read this and figure out what I think about that.
Katie is in charge of the coin-operated press inventory, and that means that when I make zines for the shop, I need to post them to her. So this is me cropping and folding up a bundle of my anxiety, self-care in lockdown, and mermaid zines for the shop. I'm so proud of setting up our big Cartel shop. I'm no master of web design, but I think we've done such a good job and it looks great. If you want to check out what zines and other awesome things we have in store, pop down to the description and click the link to our shop to check it out now.
Me and my girlfriend took a trip to Stirling to see her dad. It was the first time I'd been out in 4 months, so I was a bit nervous, but with masks and a bunch of hand sanitizer, we had a really great time, and I finally got to see Loch Lomond. I incorporated days 25 and 26 because they had similar themes that I wanted to talk about. They were Circus Day and Buy a New Zine Day. I love the art of the circus, and I think the ethos of modern circus fits in quite nicely with the zine world. Just take care of your animals, please.
Day 26 is Zine Collection Day, which means today is the day to buy new zines. I've been trying to support my fellow zine makers by putting £10 aside every month to spend on a bundle of zines. This month I'm buying from the fantastic Vampire Hag distro, and I'm super excited for my new zines to arrive. Let me introduce you to Lana Brysis. Lana is a 25-year-old Triton. She's 5 foot, with blue skin, green hair and green eyes. She has a neutral good alignment, and she is a far traveller. And she is the character that I play in Dungeons and Dragons. Together we travel as the Troll Flayers. I mean, we only actually flayed a troll one time, and mostly because Shahan wanted to eat it, but the name kind of stuck. I play with my partner Stuart, my wonderful coin-operated press partner Katie, and her girlfriend Erin. I have completely fallen in love with this game, and I am obsessed within only a few sessions. I'm really grateful to Erin for putting together that first game for us.
Me and my girlfriend are getting married next July, so we went for a walk to our venue. It's an observatory in the park, and it's across the road from us, so it's kind of perfect. It's beautiful there. I just hope we have good weather because the ceremony is outside. I remember my mum always using essential oils when I was little, and I've just started getting into them again now. I really like some of the health benefits of them, especially because I live with chronic pain, so I made a mini zine about some of my favourite oils.
Hi there, it's Share a Zine with a Friend Day. I thought you might like this. It's not to eat. I mean, it does say bananas on it, and I know you like bananas, but it's not food. Yes? Would you like to? No. Would you like to read? Like, bananas? No, just biscuits. Okay, we can do biscuits instead. Okay, this is the good stuff. Biscuit? Don't worry, I didn't forget you. Come on, you can do it. And you. Another one. Tasty. Crunch, crunch. Well, it's nice to know what you lads thought of my zine. I hope you at least enjoyed your biscuits.
So as you can see, it's been a really hectic, busy month, but I had so much fun. We had a bunch of family stuff happen this month, and just lockdown and COVID times has kind of made it difficult, but I'm really proud of us for getting through the month and making a post every single day on Instagram that I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you soon.
I really enjoyed celebrating International Zine Month, both with coinoperatedpress and over on my art page where I was making a mini zine every single day of July. It's been an intense and a busy month, lots of highlights in our little art world and a few lows with wobbles in mental health and family dramas. I think that's life though, isn't it? A mix of ups and downs. Whenever life gets me down, I always use art to pick me back up again. And I love creating zine work for coinoperatedpress. I also really enjoy editing videos, and I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. This is our first ever updates vlog, and what we hope to be a long-running series of vlogs. So do hit that YouTube subscribe button if you want to see more zine-related content from us. And give us a little thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. All that's left for me to say is happy International Zine Month and happy July. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next monthly updates. That's all from me for now. Bye!